Franker cattle cart is practicing water wading skills while crossing a small river. That's great.
Vambora! Vambora, bichão! Muriçoca! Muriçoca, vem!
Some dual push action from the archive. Caterpillar D10N excavator loading 651B mass grading scraper for a high school. The man is performing the technique of loading the excavator onto the truck bed. His name is Saber. He has been an operating mechanic since he was 22 years old. He worked throughout Amaus and the Amazon. This is a person with excellent excavator operating skills. He always remains steady and calm when working. In his career, he has never had an accident and is always willing to help others. Unfortunately, he contracted COVID-19 and died at the age of 62 in 2023. Let's remember him. The truck driver is making a U-turn on a narrow road with a mountain on one side and a cliff on the other. This technique requires the driver to have a cool head and be very calm. It will take quite a while to do. Other vehicles cannot pass because the truck has blocked the entire way. Everyone is waiting for it.